Alright guys, so I have a little keyboard here that I got not long ago. It is one of the OG minivan keyboards, powder coated lime green. You can see the van on the back. Um, you don't see these powder coated ones very often that come with the lowrider solderable PCB. You see the ones a lot that they sold on Mass Drop, or the plastic ones with the sleeve on it. So a guy was selling this one in the 40s Discord. And I was like, you know what? You don't see these very often. It was a cool color. So I scooped it up. I'm not sure what keycaps I want to use on it for now. So I have these purple and white candy bar keycaps on it for now. I thought about getting the full pink ones for the candy bar kit and having it pink and lime green. I think that would look pretty sweet. But I'm not sure yet. So we will see about that. But the keyboard, the design of it's a tray mount design. The PCB bolts right to the bottom of the tray. There's actually not even a plate on this one. You don't even need a plate on it. I built it with was it 68 gram Zealios. I lubed and filmed them. The only thing bad about tray mount designs is they don't have the best sound profile, and the typing experience isn't even because it has nubs that the PCB is resting on, unlike a top mount, which is supported all the way around the outside, so the middle has like nice flex and stuff, or a gasket mount, which is supported on the outside, or sandwich mount. So tray mount, they're still not bad. It's just not as good. But this is like my little pocket keyboard. You can put it in your pocket, take it to school with you, take it to class, take it on vacation with your laptop, game with it. It's a nice little keyboard, and I got it more for the novelty than anything, just because you don't see this color, you don't see these around it hardly anymore, because the owner of Minivan sold the company. He sold the right to the key company, who are going to actually be producing the new minivans. They're going to be like an off-the-shelf item, so which would be cool to bring back the minivan, because this is one of the really like OG like beginner 40s that kind of got popular. He initially just wanted one for himself, and it kind of just took off. So I'll kind of show you some pictures of the minivan keyboard. So here is the Mass Drop one that it's easy to distinguish because like feet like that on it. Has this PCB on it, and I'm gonna find the bottom. Can't really find the bottom. Here's the Van Keyboards website. He recently did this Van Gone, which I have showed you. Let me try and find it. Yeah, you see these plastic ones a lot, the Kumo ones. And this one, the plastic ones with hot swap PCBs. This is the lowrider PCB I'm talking about right here. That's the one I got in it. But no, it's a really nice keyboard. Yeah, this PCB right here is the one I got in it. And I really like the little keyboard. It's a great little novelty item. Fun little 40s. I'm trying to show you an example of the bottom of the Mass Drop one, because the OG ones have this minivan like that, and the Mass Drop ones have like a rectangle that just say like Mass Drop on it. And the minivan, where the hell am I gonna find? Where can I find the back of one? But oh well, I'm not worried about it. And the Kumo ones like this that have the hot swap ones and that have the sleeve, those are still really cool too, because they have like a sleeve that you can put over the top of it, and it's a sheath that comes on it. It's really sweet actually. But I wanted the OG of the OG one like this, so I'm happy I got it. I'll just a quick little video, look at the board again, and I'll leave you off with a little sound test of it with the 68 gram Zealios.